Ever had a night that started hot and ended in the doctor's office? Well, that's what happened to my patient Peter. He texted me, "Doc, I used a condom, but I still got burned. Vegas might have stayed in Vegas, but the infection didn't." Peter's a newly single guy, fresh divorce, ready to reclaim his mojo. He went to Vegas for a little fun and came home with a prescription. Now, lucky for him, what he had was curable. But what happened to Peter happens to thousands of men every day, and that's exactly why I made this video. I'm Dr. Rabeeca Ross, physician, sexyologist, and founder of the Dr. Rabeeca Ross Institute. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how to use a condom the right way, so you can enjoy yourself and stay safe. By the end, you'll know how to avoid the most common condom mistakes and why what happens in Vegas definitely doesn't stay in Vegas. Let's start before you even reach for that condom, because safer sex starts with what I call STD-sensitive grooming. If your skin's irritated, tiny cuts, bumps, or sores, that's how infections sneak in. And Peter? He waxed before his trip. Big mistake. Waxing or shaving rips open those pores, tiny doorways just waiting for infection. So here's my rule. Trim, don't strip. Keep it neat, but skip the wax and razor before travel or sex. A condom can't protect what it doesn't cover. Okay, grooming, check. Next up, the part most men think they've mastered, but haven't. Sizing. You can lie to your partner, but you can't lie to your condom. If it's too tight, it can tear, too loose, and it can slip off. And that's how you end up like Peter. Here's how to measure it right. When you're fully hard, grab a soft measuring tape. Measure from base to tip, then the girth around the middle. No tape? Use string, then measure the string.
Now, match your girth to the box, under 4.3 inches. Snug fit, 4.3 to 5. Standard, over 5. Large or extra large. The right condom slides on easily, feels secure, and stays put, and that means better pleasure and protection. Science time. With perfect use, condoms are 98% effective. With typical use, about 87%. That gap is all human error, wrong size, late start, or partial use. And if you've ever lost your erection the second the condom goes on, it might not be nerves, it could be blood flow. Which brings me to a trick I share with my patients. As men age, testosterone dips, sensitivity fades. That latex barrier, it can make it worse. So I created my E-Function smoothie recipes. Clinically backed ingredients that boost nitric oxide, improve blood flow, and balance testosterone. One guy, RJ, told me, "Before the smoothies, my fertility doctor said my sperm were lazy. 6 months later, my energy shot up, my erections were like a brick, and apparently my swimmers are Olympic ready." You can grab the free link in the description and try them yourself. Now, let's talk technique. If it's been a while, or you're new, practice. Yes, seriously, buy a few condoms and practice rolling them on, because that inside-out fumble, total mood killer and protection killer. Open it gently, pinch the tip for airspace, unroll just a couple of inches to check direction. If it rolls smoothly, you're good. If not, flip it and try again. Once it's on, make sure it stays there. If it suddenly feels too good, it might have slipped off. Stop, replace it, and never rely on just one. Bring at least 3. Because hey, surprises happen. Now let's clear up a few myths that keep my clinic busy. Myth number 1, showering with the condom on prevents infection. Nope, totally false. STIs enter through microscopic skin breaks, and once contact happens, it's already too late. Washing afterward can't erase it. Worse, hot water and friction can cause microabrasions and actually push fluids deeper into the skin. So, when you're done, hold the condom at the base, withdraw before you lose your erection, tie it off, and toss it in the trash. No showering with it on, no flushing it down the toilet. Trust me, both lead to disasters of different kinds. Myth 2, just the tip. Yeah, no, that's partial use, and one of the biggest reasons condoms fail.